Già la speranza sola delle vendette mie.
Hey there! Welcome to Cooking a Cappella. Cooking classes with a musical twist. My name is Lawrence Rush, and today we are going to make a delicious, easy, really simple dish. It's an Indian dish called Chilla. Basically what it is a chickpea flour pancake with ginger and chilies, and we are going to add a little zucchini and carrot to it to give it some color and crunch. This is traditionally eaten as breakfast in India, but I could eat this anytime. I could use it as an appetizer, a main course, breakfast. I could eat it in my sleep. I don't care. So let's get started. Here we go. 1 cup of chickpea flour. Here they call it garbanzo bean flour. Chickpeas, garbanzo beans, chichi beans, they're all the same thing. So we want 1 cup of this, pour it into a bowl, and we want a cup of water. Excuse me while I go get some water. I'm back. We want to whisk this. There we go. There, nice and smooth. Now, all we do is add in a tablespoon of chopped ginger. This is wonderful fresh ginger, that's what you want, chopped fresh ginger. Chopped green chili, I used serrano chilies, 2 serrano chilies. If you use a jalapeno, which you can also use, you probably just use 1, because serranos are smaller. But we want to chop that up nice and small. No seeds in this case. We're gonna put some other chili in there too. So we're gonna have plenty of spice and heat. And we want a ½ teaspoon of red pepper flakes. So we're getting our seeds in here. And we want a teaspoon of salt. We want to whisk that together. We want to whisk in some oil, a lightly flavored oil or non-flavored oil. So this is grapeseed, but you could use safflower, canola, peanut, a light sesame oil, but not those dark oils that are highly flavored for this. And for some beautiful crunch and color, I'm going to add in some carrot. This is just 1 shredded carrot. You don't need to put in too much. It looks good. And some zucchini, shredded also. There's other things you can put in here. You could put some chopped spinach in here if you like that, or another green leafy vegetable. Really just about anything that will cook quickly. So we've got that in there. That's it. That's your batter. Now we're ready to make pancakes, but first, today, since we're making an Indian dish, I thought I should sing a Bollywood song. Roz yahi mango dua, teri meri baat bane, baat bane. Meine Range Scheibetton ka, tu mere gatte ka pani. Meine Range Scheibetton ka, tu mere gatte ka pani. Tuje kuda mangole de to, mere yara batte banjani. Scheibetton ka, tu mere gatte ka pani. Meine Range Scheibetton ka, tu mere gatte ka pani. Meine Range Scheibetton ka, tu mere gatte ka pani. Tuje kuda mangole de to, mere yara batte banjani. Scheibetton ka, tu mere gatte ka pani. And we're back. So let's go over to the stove and cook these. So we've got our pan heating up on high heat, and we are going to add a little oil. Try to cover as much of the pan as you can. Missed a spot. Oh, another spot. There, oh, another. Ah! Okay. We're going to use about 1/4 cup or so for each pancake. Bring it over here. Now we just twirl it around. You can even use this to spread it. So that we get a nice round pancake. Let that cook for just a moment. Okay, it's holding together now. And flip it over, and when it's done on the other side, which it is, bring it over. Look how beautiful that is. Golden. This is what they really should look like. The second one is working perfectly. With little holes, little bubbles. That's exactly what you want. Let's flip that over. I think that's ready to flip. Beautiful. And just let it cook another, no more than a minute on the other side. And then we're gonna, yay! Yeah, just another 10 seconds. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7. Okay, we're 10. There we go. And we have our plate of beautiful chilla, steaming hot. And while they're nice and hot, I'm gonna eat one. Oh, they're so delicious. Savory, spicy. It's a sexy food. It really is. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, why did I put that in my mouth? Because we're gonna sing again. Days may not be fair always, but food is always there, always. Not for just an hour, not for just a day, not for just a year, but always. Go to www.cookingacapella.com and check out our classes, and we hope to see you soon. Bye!
Jubilar mi fa, jubilar mi fa.